students, good morning. Welcome to our Brihan Mumbai Mahanagarpalika online first standard class. So let us start our day with a short prayer. Join your hands, all of you. Close your eyes. Join your hands. Close your eyes. I will say a small prayer. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Para Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. So, we are thanking God for a beautiful day. Okay, now let us start our day with a lesson that is word house. It has its own grouping. So I will show you some pictures. Today's our topic name is word house. Word house means grouping of words. Different words have different groups. Now first word we are going to see is, see this. Can you see the picture? Can you tell me what is this picture?
House.
House, yes. In house, you can see this first top floor. What is the top floor of? It is a study room. Yes, very good. It is a study room. There are different things in a study room. After study room, there is next room. What is the next room down?
Bedroom.
Bedroom. In bedroom also, in our house, there are different variety of things we keep in bedroom. There is bed, window, glasses, and etc. The bedroom, what you can see?
Bed. And
Bedroom. Which room is there? Which room is next? Yes, living.
living room. Living room.
Living. That is living room. Living room is the main room of our house. When we do the entry in our house, the room which we pass by is called a living room. In living room, you can see there is sofa, window, one small cupboard is there, and a showpiece is there. After living room, which room you can see down?
Bathroom.
Yes, there is a washroom. After washroom, which is a side room near to washroom? Main door, yes. The door from where we do entry. That is the main door. Next to main door, which is the room?
Washroom door.
Next to washroom, it is door. After main door, storeroom. Okay, there is a storeroom also. Whatever things we don't need, we keep in a storeroom. Can you tell me what is the last thing, last picture? See? Kitchen. Yes. It is a very important part in our house. There is a kitchen in our house and there are lots of things in the kitchen also. So next is our next picture. See, what is this?
Number.
Numbers. Yes, there are various different types of numbers in this circle. There are numbers from 1 to 100. Yes, it is also called a group. Next picture.
1.
Yes, one number. 1 to 100 numbers are there in this picture. So this whole number together one comes. It is called a grouping of a number. See, what is this picture?
Body parts. Body part.
Yes, it is a human body parts. It is human body parts. These parts are different body parts of our body. These are different parts of our body. Okay, this whole parts when come together, it makes human body part. Yes, what is this picture is of?
Clothes.
Clothes. Yes, all the clothes which we wear in rainy season, in winter season, in summer season, when these all clothes come together, it becomes group of clothes. There are many different types of clothes. So this is in this you have seen that how we have made groups of different parts and of parts of body and of numbers and of house. Okay, now I will show you some flashcards. Can you see what is written here?
Body parts.
Yes, this is body parts. Okay, this is our first cardboard which is written body parts. Very good. Yes, this
Home. Home.
very good. What is the next?
Clothes.
Clothes. Good. And this is
Number.
numbers. Very good. So now I will show you the flashcards. You have to guess which group it belongs to. Then we will write in that group. Now this is our first card. What is written here? Eyes. Eyes belongs to which group?
Body part.
Very good. So I will write this eyes here in body parts. Okay. See, in body part, first is eyes. Now next is, see, what is this?
TV.
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 Where belongs, in which group TV comes?
Home.
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 Home. This is our home and I will write here TV. Okay. Now next flashcard is
Kitchen.
kitchen. Yes, where you can see kitchen?
In a home.
In a home. Very good. Very bright students. Kitchen. So in a home, there are two words now, TV and kitchen. Our next word is
One. One is a number. One. Number.
one is a number. So we will write this number. This one in a number. Very good. So now we are having one word in number also. What word is this?
Three. Sari. Sari.
Yes, your mother wears sari. Yes, in which group?
Cloth. Cloth.
Cloth. Yes, very good. So now we have added one word in cloth also. That is sari. Yes, one word is added in cloth also. Our second, see this next word is
Shoulder. Shoulder.
okay, very good. Body parts. Yes, it comes in a body parts. See now, there are two words in body parts. Eyes and shoulder. See this next word?
Three. Three. Three.
Yes, three. Is a
Number three.
number 3. Okay. Very good. So I'm writing in number 3. So there are two new words in our number list. One is 1 and second is 3. I'm having the one pretty word here now. What is this word?
Mother.
Mother. Where does mother come?
Home.
Home. Yes, mother lives in a home. So we will write this mother word in home. Now we are having 3 words in home: TV, kitchen, and mother. Our next word is
Elbow.
elbow. Where does elbow come? In which group?
Body part.
Very good. Body parts. In body parts, elbow will come. So there are 3 words in body part. First is eyes, second is shoulder, and third is elbow. See this word. What is this word?
Raincoat. Raincoat.
Yes. You wear raincoat.
Raincoat is coming clothes. Clothes. Raincoat is coming clothes.
Yes, you come in clothes. But when it is rainy season, you wear raincoat. So I'm writing in clothes the second word, raincoat. So now we are having 2 words in clothes. That is, first is sari and second is raincoat. Having one more word. What is this word?
Bed.
Bed. Where bed will come?
Home. Home. Where is home?
Home. So I'm writing here. So now we are having 4 words in home. First is TV, kitchen, mother, and bed. Our next word is
Dress. Dress.
where dress will come?
Clothes. Come is clothes.
Yes, in cloth group, dress will come. See now, I have added a new word in clothes column. Dress. What is this?
72.
Yes, 72 is a...
Come in number.
Yes, number. So we will write the 72 in number. So we are having 3 numbers. First is 1, second is 3, and third number is 72. What word is this?
Scarf.
Scarf. Yes, this word is a scarf. So where scarf will come?
Come in clothes. Clothes.
Cloth. Very good. It will come in clothes column. See, here is a new word, scarf. First, we are having a word is a sari. Second is raincoat. Third word is dress. And fourth word is scarf. What word is this?
Hall. Hall.
Where the hall will come?
Home.
Home. Yes, home. So, I will add a new word in home column. That is hall. See, now we are having new word. That is hall. First is TV, kitchen, mother, bed, and hall.
Head. Head.
Head. Where head will come?
Body part. Body part.
Body parts. Yes. Head is a body parts. So there are now 4 words in body parts column. First is eyes, second is shoulder, third is elbow, and fourth is head. What word is this?
Bag. Bag.
Bag. Where bag will come?
Home.
Yes.
Clothes.
Home, home.
Clothes.
It is not a cloth. It will come home. There is a new word in home. B-A-G, bag.
He says it is a cloth. Coat.
Coat. Where coat will come?
Cloth.
Cloth. Yes. Coat will come in clothes column. So I will add here new word. Coat. So now we are having a new word, coat. First is sari, second is raincoat, dress, scarf, and coat. See this word?
14.
Where 14 will come?
Numbers.
Numbers. Yes, 14 is a number. See, I have written here 14 in numbers column. Now our next word is
Shirt.
shirt. So where shirt will come?
Clothes.
Clothes. Yes. Shirt is a cloth. Yes. So there is a new word in our clothes column.
टीचर को कुछ पता नहीं.
What is this?
Father.
Father. So where father will come? In which group father will come?
Home.
Home. Yes. Father lives in a home. So father will come in a homes column. Okay, students. Let us revise the words which I have done. First is home. What is the first word in the home?
TV.
TV. Second.
Kitchen.
Next.
Mother. Bed. Hall. Bed. Father.
Very good. Father. Now next. Our next group is clothes. So which is the first word?
Sari. Raincoat. Car. Coat. Shirt.
Very good. Our next group is numbers.
1, 3, 72, 14.
Yes, very good. Our last group is body parts.
Eye. Shoulder. Elbow. Head.
Head. Very good, student. So I hope you all have understood grouping of numbers in different groups. Thank you, students.